Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Coach Franklin, and today I want to show you how to make any CAC payment directly on the Remita website with just the RRR code. How to make any CAC payments directly on the Remita website with just the RRR code. Alright, so because many of you have been finding it difficult to actually make some payments directly on the CAC website due to upgrade, due to maintenance. But once you have the RRR code, we will show you how you can go to the CAC website and make the payment. Go ahead. I have a few services that you can utilize. Our NIN reprint service is very much available. This is the NIN mostly accepted for business name registration right now. And for this, it's a slim chances that they do approve this now. So just visit this link right here. Visit this link, coachfranklincac.com/NIN, coachfranklincac.com/NIN, or you just visit the link and or you send a WhatsApp message to this number below here, 080-934-12924, and we'll get it reprinted for you for a cheap fee. Alright, so having said that, you can also visit our academy, coachfranklincac.com/academy, to get all our courses. We have various courses, over 40 courses available for you. We have courses for UK company registration, US registration, Nigeria courses, and many more other money making courses. Just visit coachfranklincac.com/academy and you are good to go. So having said that, so each time when you have error like this, all you need is just the RRR code. Sometimes you want to make payment or post a corporation, you get an error like this, I understand, and you are just stuck for days. Once you are able to get the RRR code, okay, we'll be able to show you how to make the payment. Or sometimes you try to click on pay via Remita and this place keep rolling endlessly, okay, without taking to the next page where you are going to make the payment. So don't worry, just get the RRR code and you are good to go. So having said that, please ensure you subscribe to this channel so that whenever I update videos like this, you'll be the first to get it. Just click on the subscribe button and you'll be fine, so that anytime I drop new videos like this, you'll be the first to get them. All right, so having said that, it's time for practical. Can we not do practical? Let's go straight up. So I'm going to open my browser, okay, and I'll go straight up to CAC website. For instance, I want to make a payment. There's a payment I want to make. I think the payment is about a minute. Okay. So I was handling a registration and let's quickly check. Okay. Let's quickly check it, and so I'll click here. This registration I'm currently handling. Okay. This is your portal. I shouldn't show you how to log into your portal. You should know that by now. So this is registration I'm currently handling, and I'll click on go to registration. Let me allow it to load for a while. Action, go to registration. Refuse to go. I'm going to reload the page. So it has opened up, and I'll just click save and continue. Get to the point where I want to make payments. Let's see if they allowed me, because sometimes when you get to the part of Remita, it won't allow you to proceed to the next page. All right, so okay, this is where we are. So let's click on pay via Remita. Let's see if it will allow us to move to the next page. Sometimes it does allow, but I'm just showing you how you can make these payments via the direct Remita website. In case CAC site is not responding, you want to make payments that brought the RRR code, it's not taking to the next page, either for pre or for post. This method I'm going to show you going to work fine. So since you can see it's just rolling, it's not getting past this stage, and you want to make this payment and get ahead, So what you are going to do, we'll copy this RRR code. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to copy this RRR code. Just copy it. Click here. You now show here. Copy it to clipboard. Fine. Then you come to Remita. Come to Remita. Remita.net. This is it. Remita.net. Then you visit the. Because you can stay on this page. Just stay on this page. You'll see what we will do now. So once you get to Remita.net, scroll down. You'll see pay. Where is it? These bills and purchases. Bills and you see so many here. Ignore all. Come to bill and purchases. Then you click on continue as guests. Then you click on pay RRR invoice. Pay RRR invoice. Then you paste the RRR code there. Then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to take you to this page showing the details. Look at the details of my agent portal. Are you getting the details of my agent portal that I'm using to initiate this very transaction? So then I will click on submit. Click on submit. You see it takes us to the next page. So I'm going to click on the bank transfer, which is my favorite option I normally use for all CAC transactions. So I'm just going to send this exact amount they asked me to send. So I'm pressing my phone right now and I'm going to make that transfer straight up. Okay, so 909. Okay, cash connect. Cash connect. Okay, Remita checkout. Then I'm transferring exactly the same amount, 661.25. Okay, I'm already making this payment already. I'm making this payment already. So also copy that arrow code and keep somewhere. Copy it and keep somewhere in case you forget. All right. So once you've made the payment, click I've made this payment. Click I've made this payment. This is all you do, whether for post or for pre, any payment you are making. In as much you have the arrow code, you are good to go. Then once you have done that, come back to this same CAC page again. You can decide to go back to the main dashboard. Yes, go back to the main dashboard. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to check. Then you come to registration. Don't click on reservation. Don't click on name requiring consent. Since I am making final payment for the registration, I'm going to come to registration. So when I come to registration, I'm going to see the list of businesses that are yet to be submitted. Then I will click this and I will click on check payment status. Check payment status. Then I'll click on it. So I'm checking payment status right now. Hold on and watch what happens here. Hold on. Submitting application. That's what it's showing now. Submitting application. So just watch. You will see what will happen. You see, submitted successfully. So this is what we do for everything. So check this one and this one. I just make payment for now. I can see it's showing pending. Are you getting it? So that's the payment. The payment has gone. If I refresh, if they approve it, certificate should come out in few minutes. Let's watch. I just refreshed to see if the certificate is out. Okay, you can see certificate is out. This is it, approved. This one I just paid for right now. You can see approved. So that is how you make payments. Are you getting it? That is how you make payments in case CAC dashboard is not allowing you to move to the next stage. The same thing you do. For instance, you want to reserve a business name. Let's take for instance, you want to reserve a business name and it's not allowing you to move to the next. Let's pick and just put a random business name for enterprises. I just put that to just pass through enterprises, then civil engineering. Let's watch. You see, continue. So let's take for instance, you also encounter the same challenge in name reservation, and it's not moving to the next. We've got into it. Copy the RRR code first, then we try to proceed, and it's just showing this. Okay, fine, it moves, fine. So sometimes it will delay, sometimes it will not make you, it will not take you to the next page, and sometimes you might also have the same challenge with you might have the same challenge with sense. Let me check. You might have the same challenge with post corporation. You get it? Yours might be that you have same challenge with post corporation. I'm trying to check for post corporation I'm currently handling. Let me check. This is I'm currently handling a post corporation, and I want to check. I wanted to make payments for something. I'm not getting it. So let's take for instance, you also go to post corporation portal and you want to make a particular payment. This is for, and it's not, it just brought the remitter code, but it's not taking you to the next page. Same thing you're just going to do. Always copy your RRR code. Let me check this work I did, whether if they've approved it. Still pending, no problem. So I was handling a particular job. Okay, transfer transmission. So for instance, this is work I want to pay for, and let me click on continue first to see if it's leading me. I've already done all the filings. Okay, hold on. Let's see if it did not lead me to where I'm going to make the final payment, and it just brought already RRR code. For instance, you want to pay via Remita, and it did not take us to the final. Okay, great, there it does. So sometimes if it does not, and it brought this RRR code for you, then you are good to go. Then it brought just only that RRR code for you, you are good to go. But if it does not, just copy the RRR code and go to Remita portal. For instance, you try making payments and it's taking so much time. You can see I've clicked submit and it's taking so much time. It's refusing to pass this stage. It's refusing to pass this stage. All you just have to do, go to remita.net, then you send it, then you come to bill and purchases, click on continue as guests, then click on pay RRR invoice, then you paste it. Once you paste it, then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it takes you to this page, and let's click on submit. Let's click on submit and see if it will lead us. So you see, yet this one is still rolling, but this one has taken us to the next page. So that is how you can actually use Remita to page directly to make any payment once you have the RRR code. So it's as simple as that. I hope it was practical enough. Please subscribe to this channel so you can get more of my free videos like this. So I'm saying thank you for actually taking a few minutes of your time to watch. I'm saying bye bye.